Fort Bend Dental Laboratories offers a wide variety of permanent same-day solutions for our patients. Crowns, implant crowns, bridges, full dentures and partial dentures. We make night guards. We have everything available to restore and build your perfect smile.
We know that you should be able to look at your doctor and hold them accountable for the whole process. One of those items of accountability is the types of material and making sure that those quality materials are being used every time.
We have 2 CEREC machines that mill the crowns and make them available for our patients same day. Ceramic furnaces that we put the crowns in to be baked and give us the final product.
One of the most exciting things about having your own lab is to allow same-day dentistry. Even if it is a front tooth that got broken and needs that aesthetic hand of our lab technicians. Technology is critical, such as 3D printing and 3D milling services, to get away from impressions where they're gooping materials in your mouth.
We have several stations that help us handcraft and perfect and make sure it's a perfect fit for our patients. So this machine that you see here, it has the added benefit to allow us to mill something bigger.
So having the lab in-house allows us to do things faster, more efficiently, and more customized. Coming to Fort Bend Dental allows you to have those lab techs meeting with you, looking at what you want.